Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I will provide the link in the description. From there, you can apply for that job. So let's start. So first hiring is conducted by the Solverminds and they are hiring for Java intern. And this will be the Opendrive. So Opendrive is nothing but the walk-in drive. Okay, and the date will be 1st of November 2025 and this is the timing. So 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the candidates are only allowed till 9:30 a.m. only. And this is the venue. So this is Solvermind Solution and Technologies and it is in Chennai. And the eligibility criteria is, so you must have strong knowledge of Java, SQL or MySQL or MS SQL. So Java certification is mandatory and the candidate must pass out from 2023 to 2025. So 2023, 2024 and 2025 batch candidates are eligible and no pending backlogs must be there. You must have good in communication skills. Okay, so if you have this kind of skill set, so you can mail your resume to this email ID. So this is an email ID, so you can send an email through this. So next hiring is conducted by the FirstSource and they are hiring for customer service associate 2026 and the location will be Chennai. And this is the form. This is kind of BPO job and you can fill this form. Okay, you have to fill this form and you can apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the Onwards and they are hiring for digital technology. So the mandatory certifications are required, like any one certification is required, like data engineering in AWS and Python, Java AWS, then QA automation like Playwright, Selenium, Cypress and Cucumber, mobile development in Android, UI UX development. So if you have any kind of certifications among this area, so it will be the mandatory. So this is the mandatory part. You can share your resume through this email ID and it will be the walk-in drive and the location will be Chennai. The next hiring is conducted by the Stripe and they are hiring for software engineering for new grad. That means new graduate students can be apply for the job and the location will be Bangalore and it will be the full-time job. So this is all about Stripe and this is all about the team and what you will do in this company, and these are the responsibilities like cross-functional projects and directly collaborated with the other teammates, giving meaningful feedback on code reviews and technical designs, build the skills to own a project from beginning to end, learning project management and technical leadership skills. So these are the responsibilities and these are the minimum qualifications. So a bachelor's degree or master's degree or PhD degree in computer science or related fields for 2026 graduation. Okay, so the candidate who are graduating in 2026, so they can apply for the job. So skills are required like Java, Ruby or JavaScript, Scala or Go language. So this kind of programming skills you have. Okay, so if you have worked on it, so it will be the plus point. Previously, if you have done any internship or worked on collaboratively with your teammates, so it will be the plus point in the coding projects. Okay, so if you have this kind of skill set, so you can apply for the job. So to apply for the job, so you have to click on this apply for this role and you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Airbus and they are hiring for machine learning intern and the location will be Bangalore. And this is all about the Airbus and this is the responsibilities. So work with the data set, cleaning, pre-processing and transforming the data to training models. Okay, so if you have this kind of skill sets like Python, SQL, then Power BI and MySQL, so this four kind of skill set you must have. So if you have this kind of skill set, so it will be the plus point for my side. I am giving this qualification. So currently pursuing a degree in computer science, data science or mathematics, engineering or related fields. You can see in the detail what skill sets are required. So machine learning algorithms understanding, then example the techniques like supervised, unsupervised, deep learning, proficiency in Python, then familiar with the machine learning libraries and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, then knowledge about computer visions concept, experience in VS Code, Git on Windows and Linux, have the knowledge about cloud such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, so it will be the plus point. Having the knowledge about version control like Git, familiar with the SQL. Okay, and if you have basic idea about DevOps using Docker or Kubernetes, so it will be the plus point. Have strong communication skills and able to collaborate with the teammates. So if you have this kind of skill set, so you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Izeon and they are hiring for data analyst and the location will be Chennai and this is the job description. So this is all about company and these are the responsibilities. So like collect, process and analyze large data sets, identify trends, patterns inside the data, preparing detailed reports, dashboards and visualization using Excel, Power BI, Tableau. Data analyst, four main skills are required. First, Excel, Power BI or Tableau or Python and SQL. So these four skills, you must have this kind of skill set. If you have this kind of skill set, so then only you can clear your interview. Then next is like closely working with the teammates, then maintain data accuracy, consistency and security. Education qualification is so bachelor's degree in CS, statistics, mathematics, economics or related fields. MBA or additional certification in data analytics will be the advantage. So if you want to apply for this job, so you can click on this apply button and you can apply for this job. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.